We're having fun with these police cam videos. Question of the day. Was the police officer tipped off on this, or was this a random inspection traffic stop that ended up in a wild situation? What's going on, Mutha Truckers? Welcome to Mutha Trucker News. Email us on muthatruckernews@gmail.com. So the other day, we showed a police cam of a truck driver just being a total idiot, saying that he had some boxes of toys that he was going to deliver from Texas all the way out to Indianapolis. Well, I had drivers send me another police cam, and these drivers just keep on getting dumber and dumber. I'm telling you, in this one situation, I don't think it's a tip-off. I don't think the police knew when he was giving an inspection on this traffic stop, because if they really knew, they would have had more than one cop show up. But Mutha Truckers, all I gotta say is, if you're gonna do something stupid like this, at least have a bill of lading.
Registration, sir? Yes, sir. So you driving for a friend?
Yeah, my friend, the owner.
Owner of PR Kit?
Yeah, the owner of PR.
Is he in here?
No, it's the song.
Team driver? Let me see.
Hey, Emily.
Hello. How you doing? You guys are team drivers?
No. This the new driver license, the permit.
You're not driving yet?
No.
Why are you here then? Why are you in the truck? Okay. Showing him how to do it? Is that what you said? Teach you how to do it? Okay. Yeah. So you live in Miami?
Yes.
And the company's at Orlando? Orlando. And whose trailer is that?
Huh?
Whose trailer is that?
Yeah, for me.
That's your trailer? Okay. So your friend's truck or your trailer? Okay. You don't have a truck?
Yeah, my truck is broken.
Oh, what happened?
The motor is broken.
What happened? Motor?
Yeah.
What kind of motor you got?
Yeah, it's in the truck.
Oh. Let me see your bill of lading for the freight.
Yeah.
What's in the trailer today, sir? What's inside the trailer?
It's a freezer. Freezer. One of them. It's like milk. It's going to Starbucks.
This one now?
It's going to Starbucks.
Okay.
Going to
Where'd you guys pick it up from?
Phoenix. Things.
You have your logbook, sir? Huh?
Yeah, I have the logbook.
No logbook? Why not?
Huh?
No? Do you have a logbook? You got a logbook? Why not?
No.
You guys don't write the logbook? Do you have one you can fill out right now? You have a logbook you can fill out?
Yeah, I have the, no.
Well, let me see. So you stay in Phoenix for 5 days? At the truck stop?
Yeah, the truck stop.
Can you get a load?
The weekend, no.
Okay. All right. Let's check all the lights. Thank you. I'm going to check that fire signature there. ahí donde sale el truck. ¿Qué pasó?
¿Ah?
¿Qué pasó el truck? Trailer. Let's go back there and hang out with him for a few minutes. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Turn around. Right now. Hands behind your back. Don't move.
Ahora ya vamos
You're
a
under
bajar.
arrest. You're under arrest.
Ya vamos a bajar y le vamos a llevar.
What? No se mueva. Manos arriba. Hey, chill. I don't know what's wrong. You tell me.
You tell me why you putting handcuffs on me.
I'll let you know here in just a minute. I'll get you back.
Can I make a call?
Yeah. Manos arriba. Manos arriba.
You need to tie these on that?
They're not tight.
Look at this one.
I will adjust them here in a minute.
I'm not gonna do nothing stupid.
Okay. Sit down. Manos en la espalda. Manos en la espalda. Siéntese. Siéntese.
A little bit of the right.
It's not tight. I can put my finger in there. Just the way your hand is. There you go. Good? We'll adjust them when somebody else gets here.
You can put it on the
You're
front.
twisting your... Huh?
You can put it on the front.
When somebody else gets here. Okay?
Can I make a call?
Yeah. I got somebody coming. You guys can get up off the ground here in just a minute. We'll adjust the cuffs, okay?
What is it?
So I got somebody else coming. I need to read you your rights. You have the right, before we ask you any questions, you must understand your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions, and to have him with you during questioning. If you can't afford a lawyer now, one will be appointed for you before any questioning if you wish. If you decide to answer questions now without a lawyer present, you still have the right to stop answering questions at any time. You also have the right to stop answering at any time until you talk to the lawyer. Do you understand your rights? And he's just yes or no. Yeah?
Dale, dale, yo la
Don't worry about it. I don't have a Spanish one, so we'll get you one later.